Okay, guys, good afternoon. So we've been in this trade a long time right now, so more than an hour. Market is completely bearish, as you can see over here. Market is tagging the ATRs here. We see an imbalance. We see the boxes, okay, in the backs and the boxes. It's telling us that the market doesn't want to go higher. Well, the Nasdaq is doing the same. Okay, so but the Nasdaq is very whippy right now. So I think I'm gonna exit right now here.
Order canceled.
Okay, $1,300. Uh, that's it for today, guys. So the best side was the short inside. Okay, so as you can see, the
Short
market
signal and
never
Q.
went above the ATRs. They couldn't. So everything is telling just short. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching and have a great day.
Short signal and Q. Short signal and Q.